lecture too long. We're just going to dive right into some things. So form is what? You've defined it on your midterm. You should know what it is. You can at least give me a definition. We'll define that a little bit more today. What is it? How the music's structured, how it's put together. What else?
Binary form would be like ABA.
No, that's another thing. We'll talk about that.
Sorry.
It's fine. Give me the first two letters.
AB.
AB, yes, that's binary form. Okay, so on Monday we had a dance that we did, and what was the form for that? It was A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. Okay. It's a lot of repetition, correct? So if I have AABB, 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 I'm going to call that binary form because there's only two parts, and it doesn't end on A. It doesn't go back to A. It goes A and then B. So technically, I could say that this piece of music looks like this. Okay? And the reason it's AABB is because how many times is A repeated? Twice. And how many beats are each phrase? 16 a piece. Okay? And then B is how many beats a piece? Good, okay. So, I could call this binary form. Okay. So, if the song did this, I could say it's ABA form because it ends on what? It repeats that A section again. Okay? And this is not binary anymore. This is now ternary form. Okay?
Why is it ternary? Sorry.
Because it has three different parts.
3 different.
Yeah.
Like, even
Even though the A's are the same.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Okay? So binary is AB, or any version of AB, but it has to end on what? You could call it that if you wanted to. If you wanted to get very technical with the song that we did on Monday, you could say it's AABB binary form, if you wanted to. Okay? This is ternary form, because typically what happens is that the A section changes just a little bit to make it sound like it's closing, and that's why it's called ternary form. Okay? What other letter could be ternary form? I could put a C in here too, correct? And that would be what? A, B, C, would still be a version of ternary form, all right? So don't get confused. And even if I did this, that would still be ternary form.
So it doesn't have to end on A.
What?
Ternary form doesn't.
Ternary form means there's three different parts. Typically when it's A, B, A, that A's changed just enough to where it is different. We call it A prime, okay? So ternary form has three different parts to it. So, and there's a whole bunch of other different form types. Ternary form can be ABC, ABA, as long as it ends on, I would probably still call that ternary form too, if I wanted to, okay? So because typically that A is just going to be something slightly different. There's also a thing called rondo form, which is actually on the board over here. So those are all examples of rondo form. So that's A, B, then what? A, C, A. So that's a different type of form type that you see all the time. A, something contrasting, back to A, something completely different, and then back to A. All right? So even in like grand musical forms like classical music, take a symphony, it can have this type of form, and typically does.
So what does that make it rondo?
If it's this type of form, A, B, A, C, A.
So it has to alternate.
It has to be A, B, back to A, to something contrasting C. You have to have that third part in there. Okay, back to A. This is called a 5-part rondo form, or ternary form. You can also have a 7-part one. That's A, B, A, C, A, D, A. Okay, so there's a D in there. So, enough about form. So when I say A and B, or A, B, and C, what am I talking about? What is that actual, what is the A? What is it?
Phrase or
It's
measure.
like a phrase, it's not a measure,
Okay.
but it's like a musical theme, okay? So the A part would be the part that sounds the same, or like a completed musical sentence, or a phrase. And then the B part would be what?
A different part?
A different part. And typically what happens is that if I'm playing an A part, actually no. So if it goes, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, part A. Part B would be, good tidings to you, da 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 da. And if I stop there, that would be binary form, yes?
Yeah.
But it always goes back to what? We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, part A again. So now we have what kind of form? Ternary.
Turning.
Ternary. T-E-R, ternary, N-A-R-Y, ternary. Okay? So I'm talking about like the way the melody's structured, you could kind of say it that way, the way the phrase is structured is A and B. It has to be contrasting. There has to be enough contrast for you to say that it is completely different. And modulation, for those of you that know what that is not part of it, okay? So if I said, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, da-da. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, da-da. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Does that make sense? So that's all A. It's just different variations of A. It has to be a contrasting theme. And a lot of times in symphonies what will happen is that you'll have an A section, and then you'll have a B section that's in a minor key if the first part's in major key. And then you go back to that major, or vice versa. There's a whole bunch of different compositional techniques that you can use to contrast those different themes. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about the vocabulary that we learned on Monday. So if everyone saw this on Blackboard, yes? Okay, you needed to use this to complete your assignment. So let's talk a little bit about language to dance vocabulary. So if I'm talking about locomotor movement, what am I saying? I'm doing what?
Moving.
Okay, I'm moving. All locomotor and non-locomotor movement imply movement. Okay, so you can't define locomotor movement as moving. You have to solidify it and say what?
You're moving around.
I can move around like this, and this is still non-locomotor movement.
From the one spot to another.
I'm traveling from point A to point B. I have a direction, okay? So locomotor movement implies I have direction. I'm shifting my weight enough to actually go somewhere, okay? Non-locomotor movement is what?
You're moving, but you're not traveling.
You're not traveling. What is it?
Movement within your personal space.
Movement within your personal space. I could still do locomotor movement in my personal space, right? That's locomotor, yes, because I'm traveling from point A to point B. But I mean, I know what you're saying though.
Yeah.
So I just make sure that if I ask you to define that you know the difference between locomotor and non-locomotor movement. Locomotor movement is traveling from one point to another. Non-locomotor movement is movement that does not travel. Not traveling, okay? So, if I say forward and backward, what does that mean? Okay, I could say step forward, and where would that be? If I say forward and backward, what does that imply? Direction, yeah. So if I say step forward, face your partner and step forward, would you step this way? No, I would step this way. If I said face your partner and step backward, you would step this way. Yes? Okay, what if I said in and out? That implies direction towards what?
The middle.
The middle of something, so typically a circle, okay? So if the circle, center of the circle's here, that would be in and out. If it said face your partner and move in and out, what would you do? This way, okay? So if I said side, it says moving to the side while facing the center. And that's also side close, or step close. Okay? Closing is just moving your feet together. All right. So if I say back, that implies crossing backwards behind you. When I say front or cross, it means crossing in front, okay? So that would be what? Yes, a grapevine, thank you. Are you all awake this morning? So, but I could still do that as far as like if I wanted to say cross front with your partner, what would that say? Cross front with your partner in either direction, cross left, cross right, okay? Or I say back, that sort of thing. So I would say backward if I wanted you to move where? Away from your partner, okay? So close is just stepping the next foot to the other foot. So that military thing where they make their heels click or whatever, that's a close. All right, and you do that all the time. Step, close, I might say step together, okay? So turns, just turning and facing your body to a different direction. There's all different ways to do that, and we can talk about that later. Step is a transfer of weight in place. So if I say step right here, that's a step, that's in place. If I say forward, that would be stepping forward. And then an accent is a step with intensity, so a stop, basically, which we've talked about since the beginning of the semester. All right? Any questions about that vocabulary? Because you're going to have to use it here in a second. So, forward, backward, and out. That doesn't mean a power sign. So side, back, cross, turn, step, accent. Okay. So let's keep these in mind. You can join me in the circle, please. We're going to review the dance from Monday.
Just got really busy.
So find a partner, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, partners. Okay. So turn and face your partner, and what should be the first thing that you're doing? Good. And we are going to do what? Circle forward. You're going to cross where? What shoulder are you going to cross? You're grabbing right hands, so you're going to cross right shoulders and circle around. So whenever, can I borrow you, Shannon? So whenever you're circling, this should never, yeah, you're circling too fast. See what I'm saying? We should basically be forming a straight line. So we're here, and we're circling. And see how our shoulders kind of meet right here? That's really important. That was called some confusion in the last class. All right, so let's try that really quick. So how many? 8 beats. 5, 6, 7, circle right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch, and circle the other way. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, freeze. Freeze, that's not, what direction were you facing before? Go back to your original circle, please. Thank you. Turn around. That's your partner for the second phrase of part A. Remember how it goes A, A, B, B, A, A, B, B? Okay, and you're turning around this way, so you're going to have to close the circle in here in a second. So, close the circle in. So whenever you turn around, if you're circling, you're going to basically stop on 6. You're not going to make that full rotation around because that causes confusion. You're just going to reach out that hand, because you should be holding your partner's left hand, your original partner's left hand. Reach out with your right hand and grab the person that was behind you. Let's try that, please. We're going to circle, reverse circle, switch hands, and then just grab our partners, our new partners. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, grab partners' hands. Okay, so everyone had their partner behind them. Good. Here we go. Let's do AAs and BAAs. Sorry. 1, 2, and ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, new partners, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to to your original partners, right? Okay, remember that part is what? B, and so how many times does A repeat? Twice, so we have two different A sections, yes? Yeah, all right. So let's try that one more time, please. And here's the deal, so if I'm
I
Shannon,
saw Natalie and I was like, there she goes.
if I'm Shannon, and I just got done with this, part B starts here. And I'm grabbing onto probably what? No, I'm grabbing onto Tiffany's hand, yes? And then that starts the basket weave on part B, okay? Sorry, Shannon, you were saying like,
That whole chunk, our original partner, then our next partner, then our original partner is chunk A.
yes.
Okay.
So, original partners, person behind you for the second part of A, and then when you start B, your right hand grabs your original partner's hand, and that's when you cross right shoulders, next person cross left, weave in and out of the circle. Here we go. Part A. 1, 2, and ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch your hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, new partner behind you, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, rotate, 6 and 7, switch hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, original partner, freeze, and that's when you go in and out. So Morgan, how many times are you going to spin in a circle with?
4. Like this way, and then you're gonna put your other
Yes, 2 with your original partner, and then 2 with your new partner, right Morgan?
Yes.
Okay, let's try that again. Here we go, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, switch hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, new partner, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch hands there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and part B, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, back with your original partner, yes? Yeah, so then we just keep on going around again. So, beginning, let's try the whole thing, see what happens.
Guys, I'm so proud of us.
Yeah, because, Mary Alyssa, because it's 2 phrases of B. So you're going to make your way back around to your original spot. But we don't have to do that because you all are so good at it already.
So we're not doing, we don't do A.
Thank you.
That was 1 minute, and then we do it again.
Yeah, so you're just going to keep on weaving in and out for part B.
Okay.
So you're going to start B with your original partner, and you're going to start B with your original partner. You're going to start B with your original partner, and you're going to start the second part of the repeated B with your original partner, just on the opposite side of the circle. Yes.
This is true.
Ready, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. New partners go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Weave in and out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Back to your original partner. Keep on going. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They didn't skip. What's happening is that when you're weaving in and out, I see a lot of this, okay? Come here, please. Stand behind her, I'm gonna grab your hand. Okay, what you're doing is you're just reaching and going. So if I get in your original circles with your original partners, okay, good. Shannon, step out for a second. I'm going to just walk around the circle really quick and grab each person's hand. So we're here, and then I'm gonna cross this way, and then I'm just reaching like this, and reaching like this, and reaching like this. You have to be stepping left and right and left and right. You have to be crossing one another. So if I'm reaching for Tiffany's hand, we're gonna cross right shoulders, reach to the next person, because they're already there, right? Yes. So make sure that you're crossing right, left, right, left. Let's try that very slowly. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, right hands. Right hands. There you go. So where are you gonna go, Tiffany? What direction? This way. You're gonna cross, watch. If your hands, wherever they go, whatever hand's joining you, that's the shoulder that you cross at. So your next person will be on your left shoulder. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, and 5, 6, 7, and go, and inside, and cross, cross, cross. Stop. You should be halfway around right now, or back to your original partners. Yes? Okay. Let's go back to your spot in the circle. So your feet should be doing what? Watch. Here, bum, cross, and, all right? It's very natural just to walk, and hit, and reach, and make sure that you're not doing this. Last class it was like this crazy, last class was just weird, okay? So, it took them like 30 minutes just to get through this dance. We've already gotten through it, which is good. Let's just practice this one part. Here we go. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Back to your original partners, yes?
Yes.
Okay. All right, cool.
I gotta dance.
So let's try this whole dance one more time from the beginning, and then
Yeah. I think we could get like a really cool one. Keep going. Marianne, I'm sorry I manhandled you.
I needed it.
that was really good, Morgan. Seriously, I saw that.
I literally
Yeah,
grabbed her
I know
and I was
you
like,
did.
get
Like,
over here.
Typically, I wouldn't recommend doing that, but since you weren't here on Monday, I'm glad that.
I didn't know.
All right, here we go from
I
the
got you
beginning.
back in it.
Thanks, girl.
Yeah, okay, so obviously you need my help to call out things. You have to count in your head. Why don't you try calling it out yourself? Count. Out loud. You're supposed to do the A part. It goes A, B, B.
We did the A.
This way.
You
Uh,
do
the
it
A-
once with your original, once with the new.
Right, it's the exact same movement, but just with a different partner for some variety. And some,
God, we're so talented.
well, this is a third grade dance, please keep that in mind.
Oh.
All right? This is only third grade level. Okay, well, let's move on to, actually, you know what? We're gonna move on since we have time, no big deal. So, Shannon, please join me. Thank you. Thank you. We're facing each other. Give me your other hand, please. Good, now turn this way. So now we have in and outside of the circle. This is called a promenade. Okay? So find your partner. If you are facing this way, you're on the inside of the circle. If you're facing this way, you're on the outside of the circle.
Switch hands, maybe? I don't. Wait. Can you say that again? Hey, Shannon.
Grab, okay, freeze! Freeze! Go back to your original spots. Grab right hands. Thank you. Grab left hands. Don't move yet. Grab left hands underneath. There we go. Now you're just going to turn your bodies to face the same direction. Oh, there we go! Wait, no.
Yeah, what
No.
doing?
There we go. Yes, there we go.
Again.
No, you're probably the wrong way. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Freeze, go back to your original spots. You should not even have to like release hands. You shouldn't even have to release hands. Watch, it should be like this. Here we go, we're like this. Shannon, no, face me, thank you. Be Tiffany for a second. There we go, face this. Now we're here, now we're back. And we could go where? Here if I wanted to. Or here. Or, hands please, move your hands. Oh, look at that, and look at this, yes. So, okay, so, we're gonna try something real quick. All right, so you're going to be inside, outside, we're gonna go this way, all right? Cool. 5, 6, forward, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, freeze. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Okay, we're going to turn around. Watch. Can I be you for a second, Morgan? So if I'm on the inside of the circle, I'm going to bring my partner under my right arm and under my left arm, and now we're facing the same direction, correct? Okay, freeze, just watch me. So I can switch partners inside and outside. What? No. Oh. So, yeah, just watch. Just watch. Please watch. Okay, so I'm inside the circle. Yes, raise your hand if you're on the inside of the circle. Good. You're going to bring your partner under your right arm. And then in towards the middle of the circle. And then move your left arm in front. So now who's on the outside of the circle? You're going to have to switch your hand placements too. So, yeah, so then we're going to go forward another 8. Okay, let's just try that really quick. Watch, here we go. It's very, so Cassidy, if you will, watch us please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we could turn too if we wanted to, which we're going to do here in a second. Okay, so, raise your right arm. Good. Aaron, go underneath the right arm, forward and front. Underneath the left arm. Boom, you're good, and keep on walking.
Natalie,
Okay.
hands in the relationship.
So
So,
like your hands?
your hands are going to be weird and awkward, it's fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Let's just try that. Let me see you all do that. Oh, good, you got it. Let me see you all. Okay, you're going to switch back. Let me see. Good, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, and 7, and go. And forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch partners, and forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, freeze. We're not going back. Okay, so this is getting a little weird. So spread out just a little bit. Okay. Okay, so if I'm Cassidy and Morgan and I have already switched places, yes? Watch, I'm going to take my right hand and move it this way, like that, okay? So I'm switching hands, okay?
What hand are you doing that with?
Watch, she's going underneath my right arm, and I move, and then underneath my left arm to face the opposite way.
Wait, can you do that again?
Yes. So she's moving underneath my right arm. I'm raising my right arm up, moving underneath, and then like that. You got it.
Our hands.
We don't know.
We're incorrect.
Okay.
I don't think we're holding our hands. I don't know.
Okay. Here, let me be you for a second. So here's our original spot. You're inside of the circle originally. So we're switching hands like this. Yes. Yeah. And now you're going to go. You're going to take me. We're inside the circle. Under. We should just be able to go like that, yeah? Okay, so, sorry guys, just do it opposite with your left arm first. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I forgot that we had switched places already. Okay, so there you go. Alright.
We're so tired.
So if you're like, you were on the inside originally.
I was like,
Okay, so just go.
this is over here.
Okay, so let's go back to your original spot. So we're promenading, yes? Yeah, now switch inside, outside. Good. Now, turn around. Yeah, there you go. Boom. Whoever's on the inside of the circle will turn and face the opposite way. Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Original spots. Okay, good. So now switch. So your left arm should be over. Yes? Now just turn around. Watch. Left arm up. Boom. Now you're going the opposite way. Yay! Okay. Okay, original spots? Okay, good. Switch. In the circle. Good. Now left arm up, turn around. There you go. That's all it is. Okay, yes. Yes, here we go, 5. Okay, original spots.
Over here, promenade.
Okay, so you're facing this way, switch in the circle. Good. Now turn around. Raise your left arm, turn. There you go, yeah. Yes, but you're gonna have to, yeah, well, you're gonna have to,
There we go.
yeah, okay. This is kind of awkward, I don't know why. So, okay, so let's try this, here we go. 5,
From the beginning.
from the beginning.
Do-si-do.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and walk, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch places, go, and 1, still direction, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn around, and opposite, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch directions,
Oh.
switch inside, outside. Yeah, so watch. So what? I know I didn't say, I said switch directions. I got really excited. So I meant like move, switch places, so you should be back in your original spot. Got it? Yeah. Okay, so everyone's practiced switching back to the original spot, just the opposite way? Okay, cool. Go back to your original spot. Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
I'm calling out the one. Can we move the circle back a little bit? I feel like I'm going to be burned with a stake or something for Halloween. So, all right. So, here we go. Give yourself some room. Face that way. There you go. Okay. Yes, there we go. We're all going this way first. This is the very beginning. 1, 2, and ready, go, and step. 2, 3, 4, 5, switch places, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, get ready to turn, and here you go, and opposite. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, get ready to switch, and keep on going in the direction. 5, 6, and 7, good. Freeze! Okay, we're not switching directions. No, we're not switching directions. That's just the A part. You got the A part?
That was all A?
That was all A. Okay.
Is this the same song?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're good. You're good. Okay, so you should be where? Facing this way, correct?
Promenade.
Oh, yeah.
Promenade.
Wait, we should.
Wait, no, because if you're on the inside, then.
Let's do the A section again and stop and freeze on this part. That way we know where we're going to be. So A section all from the beginning. Here we go. Promenade, 2, and ready, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get ready to switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready to turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get ready to switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ready, freeze. Okay, so we're not turning around here. Okay. So, the people that were on the outside of the circle should still be on the outside of the circle, correct? Just the opposite direction. Okay, what you're going to do, you should have, what? Right arms, left arms like this. Bring your outside person in towards the middle of the circle. No. Just to make a circle.
Oh.
Yes. Good. Got it? Okay. Drop hands. Turn to the person behind you, so you should have a new partner. Okay? Don't do anything yet. You are going to do-si-do that partner. Okay? You're going to do-si-do that partner. Which means that your dotted hand is your right hand, correct? You will step, if your dotted hand is facing in the circle, you'll step towards the middle, in. If your dotted hand is facing out, you'll step out. So please take one step in that direction. Good. No. Don't move together. Just take a step in that direction. So watch, if I'm with Tiffany, hold on a second, Tiffany and I are moving, your hands this way, my hands that way, move one step that way. Good. Okay, see that? And so I'm not like moving up to me, I'm not moving forward, I'm just moving side. Okay, try that please. Okay, so here we go. Face your partner, face your new partner in the circle. Take one step in, or out, depending. One step forward. You should be meeting. What?
9.
Good. Then a do-si-do is this, all right? If I'm in Morgan's spot, thank you, I'm just going to, you're going to step cross right, or cross left, sorry, and I'm going to cross left as well. Here we go. And then we're going to do it, meet shoulders again, and then we're back to our original spot. Okay?
Got it.
So this is, watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood?
Mhm.
Okay. Try that, please.
You got it.
Here we go. I made my other students make up their own dances, but I think we can do this. Here we go. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go back to our original A section, the very beginning, and just add that in there.
Oh, Jesus.
The very beginning.
Very beginning. So it's this. Or no.
Keep in mind, this is like a 5th or 6th grade dance, by the way. Okay. So here we go. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and A. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch spots, go. And a 1, 2, keep on going around and get ready to turn. And here you go. And turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch spots, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, face your partner and get ready to drop hands. See what I'm saying? So you should, that's where you should be.
Wait, so we're right here. And then I gotta go.
Right,
But
so,
like our new partner.
yes. So what's going to happen, watch. If I, no. Stop. Just watch. So if we're here and we're going around that circle, and this is count 7, I'm going to bring Aaron in 7, 8, and I'm facing my new partner. Okay, because remember you're turning around for your new partner. And then you're do-si-doing that new partner. So, let's grab hands, and this last 8 count this way, we just switched partners, we just switched inside-outside, okay, on that second A section. And so, let's go back to the beginning. Okay, let's go back to the beginning.
Thank you.
That might be a little easier. Here we go, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch spots, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch spots, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, make a circle and turn around and do-si-do. Yes, and that's where we do-si-do. So which way are you turning? Which way are you going first? Left. Remember. What? You found your partner. Good.
You're awesome.
We got it.
Ready?
Okay. From the beginning, we're gonna put the do-si-do step in there. 1, and 2, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and switch. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, do-si-do. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I think we all have it. Yes. Okay, so you should be facing a new partner, correct?
Correct.
What I want you to do, if you're facing this way in the circle, just grab right hand, grab right arms. I'm sorry, grab right hands. Thank you. I want to take your place, Tiffany, really quick. So watch me, please. We are going to, if I'm facing this way, so raise your hand if you're facing this way. 1, 2, your hands raised, not yours. Your hands raised.
No.
Raise your hand if you're facing this way.
Oh, facing that.
Yes, yes. You are going to, you're the man, sorry. You're going to take your partner, and you're going to turn them around like this, okay? And you're going to switch hands, and then go back around, grab new hands, and ready to promenade. Okay? Watch me, please. So watch. Goes under right, switch hands left, under left, grab both hands, turn and walk. Okay?
Okay.
So watch.
So under right,
Raise your hand, I'm sorry, raise your hand if you're the man, that's awful, but that's what's happening. Yeah.
Wearing
So, grab your ladies' hands, men, okay. So, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna go under right, switch hands left, no, watch, you're going like this. Switch hands left to where, yeah. Under, watch, she's still, like whoever's the woman is on the inside of the circle now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, under left inside the circle, back around.
Oh, this isn't right.
Yes, I can. Are you male or female? Okay, so grab hands. Under, good. Under left. Grab both hands and get ready to turn. There you go.
We did it wrong.
We did it wrong.
Okay.
Right.
So we got the right.
Under right.
So that's why.
Grab left.
Grab left. No. Grab. Switch hands. Under, yeah, under left.
And then.
And then ready to go.
This is it,
How
right?
can we
Change your wrist.
There we go.
You're just gonna
Yeah,
switch
whatever.
it. You're just gonna switch it.
So,
So am I standing in you? Right. Okay. Grab right hands. Under right. Under left. Grab both hands. Actually, this way, grab both hands. Okay. So, hey, ladies. Okay, yeah. All the ladies. Here's the deal. You're gonna have to move your hands around. So what's gonna happen is that whenever you are under right, when you go to, you're gonna switch hands. Under left, switch hands again, and then you're ready to go. You're gonna have to switch your hands 2 times. So let's just try that stuff. So this is the way it goes. Watch. So we just got done doing what? Do-si-do, right? We're turning to our new partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? What? Yes, you can.
I was like,
Alright, 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should be, if you were the guy facing this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should know the inside of the circle.
okay.
Yeah. I think what's happening is that trying to get, I'll show you where you're going. 1, 2, switch hands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Yeah, so you're just, actually you're supposed to be leading her. Yeah, you're leading her. So, yeah, pretty sure. Watch, okay.
I'm supposed to be on the inside.
1, 2, no.
No, I didn't switch it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes.
Okay, it's this, and then.
I'd rather make everybody do it.
And switch hands. Yeah,
It's a
you
big
got it.
circle.
Switching underneath.
I
That, boom. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you got it? Are you good? How are we doing? You're the guy? Yes. Under. Switch right. Yeah, under left. No, under left. That's what's happening. I just go right underneath. Under left. Yeah. Right, left. No. Right, left. Right, left. Promenade. Okay? Nope. Right, left. Promenade.
Promenade.
Okay, we have 5 minutes to try this, and we'll see what happens.
Alright.
So need to remember.
You're ready for Friday, we're passing partners. Okay. Let's take it from the do-si-do section, please. What? Yeah. That's a different story. For the weekend, Sarah, okay? So, alright.
Taking this to 2 keys.
So, are you with your new partners now? You're do-si-do on your new partners. Here we go. 5, 6, and do-si-do, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grab right hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready to promenade. And 1, 2, part 8 again. 5, 6, 7. Switch inside outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and turn. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. have a new partner, but it should still be the exact same thing. Yeah. It did not look like a dance. It looked like a seizure. A group seizure happened. So let's try this one more time. We have a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, like.
It's fine. You should still, it should be still.
So you have to go
Okay.
inside.
And have you figured out
I didn't
that?
do that before.
Have you figured out that you're now the opposite? So the guy, quote unquote, is on the outside of the, or the outside, correct?
Yes.
Or the inside? I'm not
You
sure.
said the guy was on the inside. Oh.
Okay, so are you the guy? Yeah, so that's on the inside.
Wait, then she was. Yeah.
We'll figure it out. Let's try it from the beginning.
Good, got it.
From the beginning, original partners, please.
Play this shit.
Here we go. Good. So, raise your hand if you were the guy in the first part, or the second part.
The second part?
Yeah, you should be on the outside right now, correct?
Yeah.
Good. So, whenever you do that, the second time, the second A section, you will be on the inside. That's all it is. So, all right? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go, slowly. 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch spots, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn around. And opposite, 2, 3, 4. So the circle out and switch sides, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a circle and drop, hands, turn. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get ready, promenade. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch spots, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn around. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch spots, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle and drop, hands down, and turn to your new partner. Oh, yes. So are you back to your original partner?
Yes.
No, we shouldn't be. We shouldn't be. Something happened here. We shouldn't be.
No, I'm here too, guys. We're all.
Everybody's not except us four.
That's
We
weird.
did it right.
I'm pretty sure. Did you drop hands and turn around?
Yeah. I'm still between the same.
I was
partners,
with
I
Morgan and I turned around.
Let's try that one more time. Actually, let's try it from the beginning. I think you should be with new partners. I think.
Yeah. That would make sense. I don't know.
Because it's opposite, 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 opposite. That's the way it should go. One, two, three. Switch sides, go. Turn around. 1, 2. Switch sides, go. 5, 6. Circle your hands. Let's see, do your 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Promenade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch sides, go. 5, 6. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop hands and turn to new partners. Okay, that should be somebody new, right? Okay, then you're doing it wrong. Because all these people are somebody new over here. Yeah.
It's us four right here. What am I doing right?
What side was I on? Whatever.
Because you're not getting back to where you're supposed to go. Okay?
what part? Weren't we
After
like
the B
this way?
section. After you,
This way.
like,
After
whenever.
we do-si-do and read.
No. After, like, you're with your new partner.
Yes.
So I'm you.
This way. Yeah.
And we're like switching. And then we switch back. And then we turn, right? Or whatever. And we switch back. We switch. And then we switch back, yes? And then when I turn her where?
In.
What? So we're going this way, yes?
So
So
we
we,
turn this way.
so we should turn,
So I should be with Natalie. That's how it should
right, yeah, you should be,
be. Switcheroo.
yeah. Because, I promise, it's right.
You two should switch also. I don't know.
And turn, and drop hands, And turn around.
Switch with her.
She's with me.
They switch.
So we're doing it right.
And turn around. Well, no, something happened here that I can't. We don't have enough time. So, all right, we'll revisit this on Friday. Maybe have a great day. So you should be with a new partner. Is what should happen. So
Stop.
you can turn or something like that. So
You want me to pause it?
yes, please.